yma, dwi wedi clywed lot o Gymraeg yn dod allan gennych chi. Dych chi wedi cael curry neithiwr? Dych chi wedi cael poppadoms, pickles?
Ie, wedi. Curry neithiwr.
Swn i'n hoffi
coffee.
Yeah. I would like a coffee. It's been caneuon rygbi Cymraeg that I've never heard and will never ever repeat.
Are you sure?
Wel, falle. Felly, ardderchog, mae'r taps yn dechrau agor. Mae'r tap yn dechrau agor. The taps are starting to open a mae'r Gymraeg yn dechrau dod allan yn arabach. Reit, da ni'n mynd i gannu can. Cannu can. Sing a little song i ddechrau'r diwrnod. Reit te. Mi welais Jackdaw. Mi welais. Beth ydi gweld? Da iawn. So gweld ydi to see. Mi welais. I saw. Da iawn. Mi welais Jackdaw. Jackdaw. Yn eistedd. Beth ydi eistedd? Sitting. Ar ben. On top. To.
House.
Roof.
Da iawn. Ar ben to. Het.
Hat.
Het wen. Gwyn, white. Da iawn. Yeah. Het wen ar ei ben. Pen.
On his top
Head. A dwy goes. Coesau legs. Coes. Dwy goes bren. What did we use to build our rafts? Pren. Wood. Yeah. A dwy goes bren. Ho.
Father Christmas.
Iawn, felly, pawb, ar yn ôl i after me, okay? Mi welais Jackdaw yn eistedd ar ben to. Het wen ar ei ben a dwy goes bren. Ho.
Can you just clarify the last two lines?
Dim probs.
I saw the Jackdaw sitting on the roof.
Yeah.
What was he doing?
Het wen ar ei ben with a white hat on his head. A dwy goes bren with two wooden legs.
Dwy goes bren.
This will make far more sense.
Here we go.
Mi welais?
I saw.
I can see pink elephant coming in. Give it a shot. Come on, give it a shot.
Get it? Nonsense.
Just embarrassing.
It's not for us, love. It's not for
No,
us.
we've done our best. If you change that to grey, I'll stay.
That's picnic. Go on a picnic.
Mi welais elephant pink.
Oh, yeah. Sitting in the sink. Come on. It's not even physically possible.
It could be a big
At least the Jackdaw was on a roof. At least that made sense.
Yn darllen.
reading.
And he's
Map.
reading a map.
As they do.
How can he hold a map? Look at his feet. Ridiculous.
O dan y tap.
Under the tap.
Under the tap.
Oh, that's not right. Okay, that's kind of believable.
Yeah, he's been out all interior and he's got his map muddy, he's having a rinse. I can work with that.
G-Bink.
Jar Jar Binks. Jar Jar Binks.
Yeah,
G-Bink is the Welsh word for a jay, like a bird. I don't know why the birds come into it again.
Yeah, I just think it should be, is it grey or pink?
Yeah, but os ydy o'n llwyd, it won't rhyme with sink,
Well,
see?
change sink, it doesn't make sense anyway.
Why can't we trade grey and hay?
Right,
Yeah.
ar eich traed.
God.
Oh dear. Me? No, I didn't.
Last time,
This is a really famous
3-year-old.
nursery rhyme.
Britain's Got Talent, yeah.
Can I just say, I do think that there's no doubt Ewan is a very intelligent and erudite man. But I think he's going a bit mad. He's come up with that thing about the forest, which makes no sense. He's going, and now this. And I think he was doing it for too long.
Well, I've seen how he does it. What he does, he just gets a bag of words, like that, and he just shakes them up and down.
And then you think we're teaching you Welsh.
Yeah, and then he goes, oh, there's a language there. That's a language, I think.
Pink and sink. Yeah, pink and sink.
He writes all literature via boggle.
And he says,
Meddwl bod fi mynd I fynd adre.
he says, I speak 5 languages. Yeah, unfortunately, nobody recognises them. I speak 10.
And they're all mixed up. They're all mixed up. There's a bit of Russian in there.
Wookie. He speaks Wookie.
That's why he's got Jar Jar Binks.
Okay, I am losing control. I've lost control. Past tense, I have lost control.
Wookie's actually his first language.
That's not quite right, it's ewch.
Me, welais Jack. Oh, it's quite high, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem with this. It's too high. Yeah.
Okay.
Silent and sing.
Me. Diolch. Jack.
That's going to go up now.
Yn eistedd ar ben to. Okay, it's too high. Okay.
What's the tune?
I'm not sure. Let me give me a minute. Okay. So it goes me welais Jack y do, yn eistedd ar ben to, hedwen ar ei ben, o'i goes bren, Da iawn, we've got it. Okay, eto. 1, 2, 3. Mi welais Jack y do, yn eistedd ar ben to, hedwen ar ei ben a dwy goes bren, Mi welais elephant pink, yn eistedd yn y sink, yn darllen map o dan y top, G-bink, G-bink, G-bink. Da iawn, ac eisteddwch.
Oh my goodness me.
Oh.
When exactly might we use this in life?
Right. Ydych chi'n cofio'r gêm? Chi'n cofio'r gêm? I still love this game. Good memory game. Chi'n cofio chwarae? I went to market and I bought a loaf of bread. I went to market and I bought a loaf of bread a dipyn bach o curry. Es i'r farchnad a nes I brynu dipyn bach o fara, curry a tatws, potatoes, and so on, right? Tatws, potatoes.
Tatos bravas.
So, da ni'n mynd I chwarae. Sut ni'n dweud? Somebody's asked me this morning, how do we say last night? Last night. Like, what kind of noise does a horse make?
Neithiwr.
Da iawn.
Most probably in Welsh, it's something different, isn't it?
Yeah, well, Welsh.
Welsh horses do speak.
No, they didn't. They're like, yeah. So, neithiwr, okay? So imagine last night you saw a horse neighing in the field. Neithiwr, 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 neithiwr. Right. Neithiwr. Now, mi welais, okay, yn y gogledd, in North Wales, we very often put a little me before something. Oh, mi welais, da 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 da. In a day, people don't use it, so we're going to drop that, yeah, just because it doesn't mean anything. It's just like a little grunt at the start of a sentence, yeah.
It doesn't mean it doesn't mean me.
No, no, it's just like it's a kind of a little way of reinforcing it, yeah. And
It's a throwback to Klingon.
so if we're going to add a little E here, okay, just to give it emphasis, like I saw, okay, so neithiwr, and tell me something you saw. Oh, we'll talk about films, yeah? Neithiwr, welais I Titanic, yeah?
Last night you saw Titanic.
So, yeah. Felly, mae Chris yn dweud, neithiwr, welais I Titanic a name of a film.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
In the end.
Guardians of the Galaxy. Neithiwr, welais I Titanic, Guardians of the Galaxy a Da-da-da-da.
Okay.
Okay, right. Okay, neithiwr weles i'r ffilm Titanic.
Neithiwr, welais i ffilm Titanic a Guardians of the Galaxy.
Neithiwr, welais i
Neithiwr, welais i
Titanic.
Titanic,
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Guardians of the Galaxy,
Well done.
and Mr Tumble's Big Day Out.
Oh, neis. Neis iawn, da iawn. Iawn.
Freaky.
Neithiwr, well, I see Titanic, Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumbledore's
Big Day Out.
Big Day Out, ac Shawshank Redemption.
O, ffilm dda, ffilm dda.
Talking about that last night.
Da iawn. Right.
Neithiwr, well, I see Titanic, I'm Groot, which is Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumble's Big Day Out, Shawshank Redemption, and Star Wars.
A Star Wars, da iawn.
Oh,
So, a, okay. Neu ac. A, ww, iawn.
Yeah, everyone will be doing that now.
No swearing today either.
We use ac before a vowel. So we're not saying a vowel. You say ac aval. So rather than having two vowels next to each other, so we use ac. So it would be a Star Wars, because it's a consonant. Star Wars, a Star Wars. A Shawshank, because it's a Shawshank Redemption. A Mr Tumbles. A Guardians of the Galaxy. Whereas if we had Animal Farm, it would be ac. I'm starting to now. I can't think of another film starting with an A.
Anifeiliaid Farm.
Avatar. Ac. Avatar.
Was that yours?
Ti'n gweld? Ie, gyda ac. Iawn, ardderchog? Right.
Neithiwr, welais i Titanic, Shawshank Redemption.
No.
No.
O na.
Oh, am I out? Shame.
Uh,
No. Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumble's Big Day Out, Shawshank Redemption, Star Wars. Oh, I had one.
Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
Da iawn.
How can I go blank on so many films I've seen in my life?
Right.
Neithiwr, well, I see Titanic, Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumble's Big Day Out, Shawshank Redemption, Star Wars, Mary Poppins, Terminator D. Die. Terminator Die.
Terminator died! Ah, da iawn. Da iawn. He even mutated Terminator to Terminator. I like that,
Terminator
yeah.
Die.
X-Men mutating everywhere.
Da iawn.
I'm
O'r
freaking out
gorau.
now. They're all mutated.
Barod.
And I am
No,
nowhere near
there's no
mutated.
need to mutate.
It's just...
I know to look at me. I look
You
as if I
have
might have mutated. With my allergies and
Derek.
my hormones.
Well, I see
Titanic.
Titanic, Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumbleweed's Big Day Out, Shawshank Redemption, Star Wars, Mary Poppins,
In the voice.
huh?
You've got to do it in the voice. No. Terminator Die.
Terminator Die, Day After Tomorrow.
Day After Tomorrow.
Very big film.
Dyfyd i'n ffilm dda, di? Iawn. O'r gorau, drum roll please.
Neithiwr, welais i Titanic, Guardians of the Galaxy, Mr Tumble's Big Day Out, Shawshank Redemption, Star Wars, Mary Poppins, Terminator Die, Day After Tomorrow, and Brief Encounter.
Da iawn. A briefing. Da iawn. Wel, neithiwr.
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 It sounds great in Welsh. Terminator Die.
Yeah.
Neithiwr. Welais i Ioan yn dawnsio salsa yn y bar.
Gyda pwy?
Gyda Steve.
Na.
Yn dawnsio, neithiwr, welais i, Ioan,
Yeah.
yn
Dancing.
dawnsio salsa
That's in salsa.
Ond Stephen Boyd
yn y bar.
yn Tŷ
O,
Ceri.
wedyn yn hwyr.
Please tell me
Yeah?
what's happening. My name has been mentioned. I don't know if this is in any way, so I do have a very good lawyer, by the way.
He asked me who Ioan was dancing with.
Oh, with me?
And I pointed out it couldn't have been you because you were down the
We were having a curry. I just told you about 20 times this morning. Were you listening?
Iawn, felly, neithiwr, welais i, Ioan, yn dawnsio salsa. Beth welais ti Ioan yn neud? What did you see Ioan doing?
Neithio, wel I see Iowan yn I literally can't think of a verb in Welsh.
Oh, okay. Beth?
I wanted to say fishing.
Oh, pysgota.
Ta.
So pysgod is fish. Pysgota,
Yeah.
to fish.
Neithio, wel I see Iowan yn pysgota gyda Nicola.
Gyda Nicola. Oh, iawn, okay. Felly,
I do like a bit of
neithiwr,
fishing.
welais i Ioan yn dawnsio salsa yn y bar, a welais i Ioan yn pysgota. So we're going round. We'll start from this end. Felly, neithiwr, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio, and then you just use anything else. So gan I feddwl, first of all, let's think of some verbs, iawn? Let's think of some action words. Right. Llithro. Da iawn. Llithro. Llithro.
What's wearing? Wearing.
Okay, iawn. Rhedeg, to run.
Yeah, Frederick.
Gwisgo. To wear. To wear. Gwisgo. Gwisgo. Rhywbeth arall. Beth ydi to sit? Eistedd. Da iawn. Beth?
Say Eistead or Eistead.
No, it is actually a. Eistedd, but everyone says Eisteddfod.
Right.
Golchi.
Eistead. I'm going to say Eisteddfod, make me sound good. Rest of my life.
Brill.
Golchi.
Golchi, washing, golchi.
Trust you.
You know so much about
Ond golchi,
Molchi.
car, da iawn.
Molchi.
Golchi car, you wash something else, but if you're washing yourself, molchi. Molchi.
I've never done that.
So you have molchi. So,
Golchi and Molchi is...
casglu, okay, casglu dail, casglu stampiau, to collect, gasglu, to gather. So you, every time there's an you're doing it to yourself in a way, iawn? So, gasglu yn y llanerch, your favourite word, gasglu, to gather. Lacio, to get yourself laxed, lacio, da iawn. Sorry, Anne.
I need all these done phonetically, do you know what I mean? So I can see gasly. You know, it works for me phonetic.
Beth ydi to dance? Dawnsio, da iawn. Beth ydi to phone? Da iawn. Beth ydi to post? Da iawn.
Easy, just say yacht on the end.
Da iawn.
Very hot.
Beth
scorching.
ydi to text?
Texture.
Siarad.
It's all coming back.
Siarad, to talk. Da iawn. Beth ydi to learn? Dysgu Cymraeg.
Dysgu. Cysgu.
Dysgu, cysgu.
Dysgu, cysgu.
Ski. Walking, please. What's walking?
Cerdded.
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 Boyd.
Cerdded.
Driving.
Bwyd, o,
Gyrru.
gyrru ydi to drive.
Curry, that sounds like.
Beth ydi to eat? Bwyta, da iawn.
Boyd curry.
Yfed drink.
Yfed to drink, da iawn. Yfed, like on the ed, yfed, da iawn.
Canu.
Canu, to sing, da iawn.
Chwarae to play.
In fact,
Gwenny.
agorwch eich ffeiliau,
Chwarae.
agorwch eich ffeiliau, open your files, a dwi eisiau chi chwilio, look for the action words ar dudalen 1 a 2. Just tanlinellwch, just underline the action words on page 1 and 2. Gyda'ch partner. O'r gore, iawn te. Awn ni trwydden nhw. We'll go through them in order, so you shout out the verbs, the action words i fi, right? Felly, i ddechrau, beth ydy'r un cyntaf? First one. Machlyd, da iawn. Which means?
To set.
To set. How do we say the sun is setting? Da iawn. Oh, sorry, the sun has set. Sorry. So the sun has set. Mae'r haul wedi machlyd. Mae'r haul yn machlyd. The sun is setting. Da iawn, mae'r haul yn machlyd. Iawn, nesa?
Llithro.
Llithro, da iawn. To slith. Llithro, da iawn.
Llithro.
Nesa? Clwydo.
Clwydo.
Da iawn. Clwydo.
So that's in this context, we've got will go to bed. Is it to
So,
go then?
to go to bed, yeah.
So
Clwydo.
I am going
To bed.
dwi'n coedo
Nos da, dwi'n clwydo.
Dwi'n coedo a Gwenny.
Yeah, you don't need to really, because clwydo is like to go off to bed.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so you don't even need the word bed.
Okay.
That's funny, because you would have thought it would have been in there, wouldn't you? Sort
What,
of like, you know, beds, gwely.
But it's actually, it's kind of to roost, you know, so it's,
okay.
so although we use it, you don't
get it.
need the word, because clwydo means to go off and roost, so it doesn't necessarily mean bed, but it means I'm like, I'm retiring. I'm retiring to my room or shed or whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, nesa? Cloi? Cloi, da iawn, cloi, to lock, ardderchog.
To lock.
Diffodd, beth ydy diffodd?
Switch.
Da iawn. So we can switch off the light, which is diffodd y golau, da iawn. So if you want to ask somebody, you can say, oh, diffodd y golau, please. Or to extinguish a fire, diffodd y tân.
Os gwelwch yna.
Sibrwd, da iawn. Sibrwd. Da iawn. Swatio, da iawn.
Swatio.
Lovely, da iawn. Nesa?
Cysgu.
Cysgu, gret. Cysgu ma'na, cysgu, iawn. Nesa?
Nesgawr.
Ymgasglu, da iawn.
Model.
So can I just say until morning comes to the valley? Isn't that to come?
Say again, where?
Until morning comes to the valley, that must be a verb, surely.
Nesgawr.
Down,
Yeah.
To come?
So daw is a future tense of the verb to come. So to come is
Until morning comes.
dod. Dwi'n dod o Landudno. Dwi'n dod o Gaerdydd. Dwi'n dod o I come from, yeah. So dod o, come from. So dwi'n dod. O, dwi'n dod i'r parti heno.
I'm coming to the party.
Yeah.
Dwi'n dod party tonight.
Heno.
Tonight. And
Neithiwr
last
last night.
Heno.
Erfyn sydd ti bach.
Ceir.
Neithiwr. I knew it was coming.
Iawn, nesa?
I didn't realize they were all going to weather.
Sgleiniog.
Mwy, are there any more? Let me just check you. Na, sgleiniog ydi shiny. Eistedd. Ydi, eistedd.
We're on the second page now, yeah?
Eistedd. A dyna ni.
What about muddle? Because to wrap things
Yeah,
up.
na. The word kai pen y mwdl, kai ydi to close, so that is one.
Cloi to lock.
Cai'r drws, cloi'r
Caid y
drws.
gig.
Caid y gig, yn union. So kai ydi to close, that is one. Kai pen y mwdl is like the end of it, so just to close it all off. So pen y mwdl is like part of the saying, so just kai.
This is just the same.
Da iawn. Okay te, felly, ble oedden ni ar y gêm? Nawn ni gario ymlaen heb Nicola. Iawn, felly. Neithiwr, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio salsa.
Salsa.
Ie. Neithiwr, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio salsa. Felly, Derek, ti'n dweud neithiwr, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio salsa a welais i, anybody, yn doing anything. Keep it simple. Iawn. Felly, beth welais ti? What did you see?
Welais i, neithio, welais i Ioan
Yn
dawnsio.
dawnsio. Salsa.
Ac hefyd, welais i Tom yn gyrru.
Da iawn, right. Neithiwr. Welais i yn...
Driving to the Cariad.
So dwi'n meddwl, i helpu gofio, to help you remember, nawn ni wneud yr actions, iawn? Felly, neithiwr, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio.
Neithio, welais i Ioan yn dawnsio, a hefyd, neithio, welais i Tom yn gyrru.
Right,
Okay,
Tom,
so I'm going
right?
to do all that sentence again.
Yeah.
Neithio welais i Ioan yn dawnsio, a Tom was driving. Gyrru. Steve gwisgo apron.
Oh, ond gwisgo fedog. Remember? Fedog,
Gwisgo
apron.
fedog.
So imagine you wore your apron when you fed the dog. Fedog. Fedog.
Gwisgo to wear.
Yeah.
Gwisgo fedog.
Gwisgo to wear.
Gwisgo
Gwisgo
Ac yn out
fedog.
all else.
Da
Gwisgo
iawn.
mancini.
Felly,
Gwisgo.
When's yours coming up there?
yn gyrru,
It's about
Um,
this morning when we were in bed together.
gwisgo fedog.
Can you keep it simple, please?
I know. I'm already like struggling.
Iawn. Bendy? Bendy?
Gwisgo fedog.
That's me.
Wearing an apron.
Hey, I wear an apron. So gwisgo is wearing and fedog. I went apron, thinking it was apron.
Fedog.
Fedog is apron.
And gwisgo.
I guess.
Gwisgo fedog.
A Steve yn gwisgo fedog. Iawn. Iawn, nesa, Carlain.
Neithiwr welais i Ioan yn dawnsio a Tom yn gyrru a Steve yn gwisgo fedog a Becca eistedd yn y sinc.
Yn eistedd yn y sink. Welais i Ioan yn dawnsio, welais i Tom yn gyrru, welais i Steve yn gwisgo fedog, a welais i Rebecca yn eistedd yn y sink. Iawn. Jamie.
Okay, neithio welais i Ioan yn dansio. I'm going to do the actions as well. Ac, who is it? Tom yn gyrru, ac Steve, oh, what's that?
Yn
Yn gwisgo fedog.
Da iawn.
Welais i Becca yn ested yn y sinc.
Da iawn. A?
Oh yeah, me. Who else? You are Derek.
Derek.
Good choice so far.
Derek. Which I forgot you hadn't had one. What's that? I don't know any action words.
Oedd Derek yn
Poistio.
postio?
Postio.
Yn postio parcel.
Parcel. What's that mean?
Posting a parcel.
Postio parcel.
Yn postio
And
parcel.
parcel.
Okay.
Okay, you're next.
Iawn. Okay, ar dderchog.
Welais i Ioan yn dansio ac Tom yn gyrru ac Steve yn y gwisgo ffedog ac Rebecca yn eistedd yn y sinc Ac Derek postio parcel. Ac, well, I see Jamie Rhedeg and a Goenwyd.
I cannot believe that is yours. I cannot. I've been so sitting on that going, go on, don't say Jamie running in the forest. Don't say Jamie running in the forest. I was so gutted.
It means that we're starting to sing, baby. It means we're starting to sing.
That's a good one, that.
God
Da
damn it.
iawn. Right, nesa, Rebecca.
Is it ac or R? Oh,
It's an
Fluid.
A if the name starts with a consonant, and
like this, isn't it?
ac if their name starts with a vowel.
okay.
It's like saying an apple as opposed to apple, yeah?
So basically, we don't need to do any R's.
Okay, iawn, Rebecca.
Nethwetha?
Neithiwr.
Oh yeah, neithio.
Yeah.
Wel, I see Iowen a dansio. A Tom and Gyrru. Steve and Gwisgo Fedog. Well, I see Rebecca and Eisted and a sink. Derek postio parcel. Jamie and Rhedeg and a goedwig.
That's running in the forest.
Can I have a little look at the board,
Oh,
please?
sorry.
Iowen, Gochli, a Steve.
Ah, Johan washing Steve.
You are joking. That's literally what I'm thinking.
No.
I had Nia and Ewan washing together. I am in all sorts of
Ask at the
trouble.
moment, that if this goes out on the website to things, do people think there's something's going on between Ewan and I? We're dancing together, we're washing each other, you know, we've been douching by morning, and it's just too much, isn't it?
There's no question who the bear is in that relationship.
Iawn, Chris.
Oh no, I'm right.
Go on, you can grab the ball.
Right.
All right.
Someone like Johan and Steve.
Neithio, well I see Johan and Dawnsio, ac Tom and Gyrru, ac Steve and Gwisgo Fedog. Well I see sitting in the sink. Rebecca Eistedd yn y sink. Derek yn postio parcel. Jamie Balch yn rhedeg yn y godwig. Johan yn golchi Steve. Ac Nicola, Derek, Tom, Caroline, Jamie, Steve, Rebecca yn gwrando I Nia yn y dosbarth.
Oh, da iawn. Yn gwrando.
Listening.
Gwrando. Da iawn. Have you heard me once or twice this week saying gwrandewch? Gwrandewch, gwrandewch, listen, it's a command, gwrandewch. Gwrando. You know, you haven't heard me say it, that's the whole point.
It all goes on that twist.
Yeah, dwi'n gwybod. Yn gwrando arni yn y dosbarth. Da iawn. Nicola, ti eisiau trio? Go, baby. Da iawn.
Neithiwr, well I see Johan yn dawnsio a Tom yn gyrru a Steve yn gwisgo ffedog. Well I see Rebecca yn eistedd yn yr sink. Derek yn postio parcel. Jamie yn rhedeg yn y goedwig. Johan yn golchi Steve.
I'd love to see that.
We all love him.
Nicola, Derek,
Neu,
all of us.
These are all euphemisms.
How do I say all of us?
pawb.
Oh, pawb, everyone, of course.
Everyone. Pawb.
Pawb yn
Pawb.
gwrando gwrando arni yn y dosbarth. A... Derek actio yn... Oh, I've got to find this place now. Yn y bar.
Yn actio yn y bar. O'r gore, reit te.
So wedi
Wedi.
dansio.
Yeah.
I danced.
Have danced, yeah.
Dwi'n wedi dansio ac
Yeah.
Caroline. I have danced with Caroline.
Yn union. So, beth da ni'n gallu neud, you've now got two tenses, iawn? Mae gennych chi, I am, dwi'n,
Dansio.
So if I wanted to text this now, because I might have tried to do this already to my friends who siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah.
Exotic.
I can capital D, W, and then is that a space?
A little space, yeah.
I apostrophe N.
yeah.
I know everything.
Marvellous.
So, os da ni eisiau deud, I am learning Welsh,
Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg.
I am dancing,
Dwi'n
Dansio.
I am happy,
Dwi'n hapus.
I am phoning,
Dwi'n ffonio.
da iawn, I am eating,
Dwi'n bwyta.
I'm eating curry.
Dwi'n bwyta curry.
And what's brilliant, by using things like tonight or tomorrow, that you can talk about the future as well. So, dwi'n bwyta curry, heno, tonight. Dwi'n bwyta curry, fory, tomorrow. I'm eating. So, I am eating or I do eat, iawn? Wedyn, if we want to talk about the past, how do we say I have? Dwi wedi. So the wedi is replacing, so that's the glue this time, it's replacing that. So, I have run, dwi wedi'r rhedeg. I have,
Run this morning, how would that go?
dwi wedi'r rhedeg, bore ma.
Bore ma.
Bore ma, this morning, dwi wedi'r rhedeg, bore ma.
With little Kate.
Dwi wedi'r rhedeg, bore ma.
Dwi ddim wedi redeg bore ma. I have not run this morning.
Yeah, dwi ddim wedi'r rhedeg bore ma. How do we say, I haven't slept? Dwi ddim wedi cysgu.
Oh, what happened there?
Ddim. The ddim went
Dwi
before the wedding.
ddim.
I not have slept.
Dwi ddim wedi cysgu. What about, so anytime you hear a ddim, it means negative, not, don't, okay? Did you do these yesterday?
Yeah, I
This
did.
is it, it's still not. Why is it coming in that particular order then?
So,
Dwi wedi?
I not have. Yeah, so I have not, but it's the different, it's the opposite way around. I haven't. I have run, I haven't run.
And we don't say dim, we say them.
Them.
It's like to speak in Welsh, you have to think like Yoda.
Yeah, you have to, in a way, that's the thing. It's almost like not translating the order of things, you know? So like
I not have
in
danced.
Spanish, you know, the word describing would come in a different order in Saesneg. So, meddwl yn wahanol.
He's laughing.
So dwi wedi, dwi'n. Reit, ar eich traed. Dwi ddim wedi cysgu. Dwi ddim wedi cysgu. Dwy linell, two lines yn fan hyn, right? Un yn fan hyn ac un yn fan hyn. Iawn. Grêt.
Jedi Knight. Let's mix it up.
Let's mix it up.
Iawn.
Dark side.
Diolch yn fawr. Da ni'n mynd I chwarae gêm sibrod. Whisper. Da ni'n mynd I chwarae gêm
Because we've started getting too loud.
Os chwarae?
Chwarae rygbi.
Chwarae rygbi.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-rwyd, chwarae rygbi, chwarae tennis, chwarae pêl-droed, chwarae hoci. Chwarae criced, chwarae sponcen, chwarae snooker. Chwarae teg, da iawn. Play fair, fair play, chwarae teg. Da iawn.
Dwi'n chwarae sponcen gyda Steve.
O, ti'n chwarae sponcen?
Neithiwr.
Squash.
He's playing squash.
He said he played squash with
I
us.
thought he squashed me last night.
Yeah.
There's a little picture of Yoda.
Okay. Grandewch, y grandol diw gofiog. Right. When I do something, you just copy me.
This is what you get when we don't drink.
Yeah. Next year, I think you should probably go female heavy.
Dwi'n meddwl bod ti'n iawn. Dwi'n meddwl bod ti'n iawn.
Disruptive boys, apart from Derek.
Da ni'n chwarae gêm sibrod iawn. Whispering. Felly, dych chi'n dechrau. Start, okay?
I can't hear anything you say. I mean, it's good, but I can't hear a word.
Okay.
You're having a pickle here because we're playing a whisper game.
It's a whispering game, iawn. So, dych chi'n dechrau, you start. Dych chi'n dewis gair, choose a word. A verb, an action word, iawn. Oddi ar y bwrdd neu, one you make up. A dych chi yn sibrod y gair. Chi'n sibrod y gair i'r person nesa, iawn?
Just a word?
Dwi'n dweud, ie. Dawnsio.
How do I say that?
Wedyn, mae Derek a Chris yn gweiddi, dawnsio!
What?
Yeah.
That's not Sibrud.
No, but it's got to the end. It's the game. Ras.
Oh, I get it. Yeah,
Ond, mae'n rhaid i chi wneud 3 pheth. Rhaid i chi weiddi'r gair Cymraeg, shout the Welsh word, dawnsio! Rhaid i chi gyfieithu, translate, dawnsio, to dance! And you have to do the action.
All right, with Steve.
Oh, he's going to love this one, isn't he?
What's right now?
This is all over.
Iawn?
Yes?
Ydych chi'n deall?
I don't understand.
Ydych chi'n deall?
You're whispering to me.
Yes,
I'm
then
whispering
you
every
whisper, 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 whisper.
Shall I
And
shout
it's
it
a
out?
race. You shout out the Welsh, the English, and you do the action.
Brilliant.
All at the same time.
Okay.
Well, not all at the same time.
All of us, or just the person at the end?
Just the person at the end. Wedyn, mae Chris a Derek yn mynd i'r cefn a dych chi'n shimmy, 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 shimmy
Yeah.
i fyny. Iawn?
Right, yeah. Okay, William.
O'r gore.
What's Gary? Drive.
Drive me around.
Are we starting?
Right. Ar eich marciau. Barod.
Oh, we got to go on the thing, right?
Iawn? Barod? Aros, hold the boat.
On the B of the
He's
verb.
excited,
Ewch.
Alex.
Ready, slip.
O, da iawn, nesa. Ar eich marciau, barod, ewch. O, no, ie, ewch. Sleep. Cysgu. Sleep. Da iawn. Da iawn.
No, I'm not going to know what they
Da
are.
iawn.
Cysgu.
Da iawn.
That was right.
How was it?
No.
Carrie, sing!
Nesa.
Everyone knows what they are, Sarah.
Play for all. Slip.
Golly.
I know the second word.
Golly. Gochly.
What's he said?
Golchi.
Oh, wash it.
Golchi. Da iawn. Da iawn. Quick, Jamie, quick. Rheda. OK, a stop. O, ar enillwyr. Enillwyr. Ardderchog. Unwaith eto. Once again. Gore?
That's a good one.
Yeah, good game, this.
OK. Iawn. Ar eich marciau. Barod. Ewch.
Swatio.
Postio.
Beth ydi swatio?
Post.
To snuggling.
Cloido.
Eistedd, sit. Da iawn. Go. Clwydo to roost.
Actio, to act. Da-da. Da-da.
Speak, Sharon.
Da iawn.
Texture. To text.
Da iawn. Golchi. Da iawn. To Wash, ardderchog. Reit, ardderchog.
Listen, Tom said
Dwy
really hacked off, he's so
I
competitive.
1, iawn. Trauma. Trauma this time. This trauma. Trauma. Dwi isio chi freestylio, dewis unrhyw air. Pick a word, any word. Can be your script, it can be anything. Unrhyw beth, iawn? So just take a moment.
In Welsh.
Yn Gymraeg.
Just one word.
Un gair.
Are they going to act it?
Yes.
Is it an action word?
Na, unrhyw beth. Unrhyw beth.
Any word at all.
It could be curry. It could be curry. Neu, unrhyw beth. Yeah. Be. Breast pen coed. Doesn't have to be an action word, it can just be anything. Unrhyw beth. Unrhyw beth yn y byd. Pawb wedi dewis gair?
Yeah.
Again, the same game.
Yr un gêm.
Can we do mind games and I can translate what I'm going to say?
Yeah, I know this.
You know what I'm thinking.
I get it, yeah.
Well,
I can't act it out, though.
Okay.
I won't use that.
Ar eich marciau. Barod. Ewch!
What's that mean?
Coedwig, I am Groot. Forest.
Say
I
the
don't
word.
know.
Moeth is luxurious.
Oh, luxurious. A boita.
Oh.
Nos da, Derek. Good night, Derek.
Da iawn.
Sorry.
Elephant.
Da iawn!
Seren. Star. Star.
Hael when
Ready.
sunshine.
Da iawn! O, ardderch. Oh, da iawn! Cariwch ymlaen, cariwch ymlaen. Amazing.
I don't know.
That's smoking.
Smoky, smoking.
Smuggy.
Just go back.
Da iawn.
You look really cool.
Ardderchog. Iawn
I've
te.
got Welsh on there, Dean. That's why they're
Ie, dyna beth iawn. Dewch draw gyda fi, dewch gyda fi, dewch gyda fi, come with me, come with me. Yma, mae'r holl tools da chi angen. Yma mae'r holl tools da chi angen I siarad, iawn? So these are all the structures, these are all the tools you need to actually siarad Cymraeg, iawn? Vocab is easy, you can pick up words, pigo geiriau fyny. A wedyn, mae'n hawdd. Chi'n slotio nhw mewn, slot them in, within the structures, Bob's your uncle, dych chi'n siarad Cymraeg. Reit, felly, dych chi'n gwybod, dych chi wedi gwneud rhain hefo Ioan ddoed. Remember you did those with Ioan? So, I am, dwi, rwy ti, mae e, mae hi, dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw, yeah? So, I am, you are, he is, she is. Wedyn, yn union yr un fath, exactly the same pattern, ond, instead of putting the yn there, we put a wedi. So I have. Dwi wedi, and then you can put the me or without the me there. Rwy ti wedi. Mae hi wedi. Mae e wedi. Dyn ni wedi. Dych chi wedi. Mae nhw wedi. So if you want to say they have slept.
Mae wedi cysgu.
Da iawn. He has eaten. Bwyta.
Wedi bwyta.
Da iawn. I have slipped.
Dwi wedi llithro.
Da iawn. She is singing.
Mae hi
Canu. Da iawn. They are dancing.
Mae nhw dansio.
They have danced.
Mae nhw wedi dansio.
I have seen.
Dwi wedi
Gweld. Gweld. To see. Imagine you're wearing welding goggles. Iawn. Gweld. Gweld. Da iawn. Well, I see. I saw. I saw. Iawn. I have seen. I saw. Iawn. They are posting.
Mae nhw postio.
Da iawn. I have sat.
Dwi wedi eistedd.
Da iawn. We have learned Welsh.
Dyn ni
Dysgu.
Cymraeg. Da
Oh,
iawn.
I haven't, clearly.
Felly, really, we're on day... How many days have we been here? Day 3? 2 years.
On a month.
So, diwrnod 3, a ydych chi'n gallu deud pethau fel, 3 days ago you couldn't say, oh, I have seen John. I am dancing. She has slept. Iawn, felly dyna'r rheina. Reit, rwan, dyn ni'n edrych i'r dyfodol. Future, iawn? Felly, dych chi'n cofio, yn y llyfr, we've got a sentence. Mae gennym ni frawseg. I just got a feeling I'm on, sorry.
What are your demands?
Have you seen the Manchurian Candidate?
My mother was like,
Yeah.
It is.
I think it's your favourite sentence, Steve, ydy?
Llanach will be involved.
Mae...
Llanelch.
Bydd. Oh, yeah, Llanelch is involved, iawn. Bydd... Oh, no. Who liked trigolion?
Oh, I like
Who's it?
trigolion.
Trigolion. Bydd trigolion y llan yn clwydo yn y man. Bydd, iawn. Will be yn y dyfodol. Felly, I will be. So, I will be dancing. Tonight, I will be dancing. Heno, bydda i'n... Apostrophe N as well. Bydda i'n dawnsio. Da iawn. Tonight, I will be sleeping.
Bydda i'n
Cysgu, da iawn. Tonight, I will be texting Iowan.
bydda i'n textio Iowan.
Da iawn. Tonight, I will be speaking Welsh.
Heno bydda i'n siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn.
Say heno at the end.
Yeah, of course, dim probs. So, I will be eating curry tonight.
Bydda i'n bwyta curry heno.
Da iawn. I will be acting in a film. Tomorrow. Beth ydy tomorrow? Fori. Da iawn, fori. I will be acting mewn, in a, mewn,
ffilmio.
fori. Da iawn.
Ffilmio.
Ffilmio ydy the action, the verb to film. So to film a film is ffilmio film. A film is just film. Iawn?
So, can I put a mewn in there?
Yes.
So I thought
Mewn,
un is in.
so
Same thing.
in is un. In a, something very non-specific, in a taxi as opposed to in the taxi, mewn. Mewn.
What's yna
That's
then?
another big one.
In the.
Do you know what I mean? That's when it just...
It's a little, it's those
That's a
little
leap,
words,
That's
isn't
a
it?
big leap, that's when you've got
Do you know what I
un,
will do? Na I baratoi taflen i chi of those little words. I, to, o, from, mewn, in a, un, the, a, and. Na I wneud hynna, and I'll give you a little handout, because mae'n handy, like little
That's
glue.
perfect.
A, and yna is
In
the.
the. Perffaith. Da iawn. Iawn. Felly, da ni'n mynd trwyddyn nhw i gyd, iawn. Bydda i, give me the actions, bydda i, byddi di, yeah. Bydd e, bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, bydda nhw. Da iawn. So, ydych chi'n iawn? Everybody okay with the difference between ti and chi?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Pawb yn iawn hefo'r formal and informal.
People you respect, but people you don't
Older
respect.
people when it's gone out of
Older
fashion.
people yn union.
Or plural.
Do you use it that much?
Mostyn.
Yeah, we do. We would use it with
Use it for grammar.
older people.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm now at the age where I work with young people and they call me chi. So yeah,
Really?
it's an
Are you a he?
anffodus, yeah. So
Because you're the
my
teacher.
maybe because I'm old. Falle. Felly, ydyn, da ni yn defnyddio nhw fel gyda phobl hyn. A, os dwi'n siarad gyda grŵp ohonych chi. So, byddwch chi yn mynd i nofio heno. Yeah? So if I'm talking to all of you, chi is plural as well. So you use it all the time. Iawn? So,
So you are going to go swimming in
byddwch chi'n
Cymraeg.
canwio heddiw. Byddwch chi'n peintio heddiw, today.
Today.
Iawn, so chi yn y grŵp. OK,
Today was...
heddiw.
Right, heno tonight.
Heno tonight. I'll do a little sheet.
Fory.
Yeah, mae'n handy just i... OK, right. So, gyda'r actions. Awn ni nôl i fan hyn, i'r canol. Pawb yn hapus ac yn llon? Hapus ac yn llon, right. Felly, byddi di, slightly different pronunciation, bydd but you know this already, bydd trigolion y llan yn clwydo'n y man. Byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Right, felly, so how would we say, I will be coming. Dod, come. Dod, da iawn. We will be dancing. Da iawn. They will be eating. Da iawn. She will be acting. Da iawn. Bydd hi'n actio. So you just need the glue. Just need the glue. Yeah? So bydd hi'n actio. I will be whispering. Sibrod, da iawn, byddai so. They will be playing snooker. Byddan nhw'n chwarae snooker, da iawn. You will be, plural, you will be playing tennis. Da iawn. And if you want to ask a question, change your voice. Will you be playing tennis? You just change your voice. Change your voice. You can. You do need a little mutation at the front, but don't worry. Just change your voice. Right. Hapus? Brain fry? O'r gore. Ffeiliau. Ffeiliau. Ac...
Dechrau haf.
Ar eich traed, gyda'ch ffeiliau fel hyn. O'r gore. Bydda i'n darllen gynta, I'll read first, wedyn chi, iawn, then you after me. Actions hefyd. Mae'r haul wedi machlyd. Yn grwn ac yn gochlyd. Cyn llithro'n hamddenol. I wal o'r llewinol. Bydd trigolion y llan. Yn clwydo'n y man. Yn cloi ei drysau. Ac yn diffodd y golau. Yn sibrwd nos da. Wedi hirddydd ha. Cyn swatio'n glid. Trwy'r nos ar ei hyd. A chysgu'n drwm. Nes daw'r bore i'r cwm. Mae hi noson fwyn o fehefin. Ac wrth i drigolion y llan. Gau pen y mwdl. Ar ddiwrnod arall. Mae holl anifeiliaid y goedwig. Yn ymgasglu. Yn y llanerch. Yng nghysgod y dderwen fawr. Ger y garreg sgleiniog. Yn y pant. Wrth droed y bryncyn. Ar lan yr afon. As as opposed to ar lan y môr. Da iawn.
Ar hyd yno.
Mae'r anifeiliaid I gyd yno. Y pysgod. A'r llygod. A theulu'r gwiwerod. Y morgrig a'r adar. Y slimod a'r radar. Y geifr a'r cacwn. A'r pryfed a'r dwrgwn. Y ceirw a'r lamas. Sy'n gwisgo'i pajamas. A llawer mwy. Mae dewi'r dreinog dedwydd yno. Mae Anwen yr arth fawr a ddfwyn yno. Mae hyd yn oed bleddyn y blaidd mawr mwyn yno. Ac yn eistedd. Ar un o ganghennair. Eto, ganghennair. Dderwen fawr. Sy'n ymestyn. Dros y llanerch. Mae Gwydion y godi hw doeth. Cadeirydd y cyfarfod. Ardderchog. Da iawn, guys. Right, dyn ni'n mynd I orffen. We're going to finish tudalen 1 a 2 heddiw. Felly, dwi eisiau 2 grŵp, iawn? 2 grŵp. Gawn ni ystyn y byrddach, iawn? Dych chi eisiau 2 grŵp, felly grŵp 1, grŵp 2, grŵp 1, grŵp 2, grŵp 1, grŵp 2, grŵp 1, grŵp 2. A da ni eisiau 2 fwrdd. 2 fwrdd. Mae very glamorous assistants. Da ni'n mynd I eistedd o amgylch y bwrdd. Reit. Yn yr amlen. Yn yr amlen. Yn yr amlen. Mae gynnon ni. Reit. Mae gynnon ni frawddegau. Frawddegau. Sentences, iawn. Llinellau. A dwi eisiau I chi, yn eich ffeil, dwi eisiau chi dynnu tudalen 1 a 2, just, dim ond y Saesneg. Only the Saesneg, iawn. Peidiwch a edrych ar y Gymraeg, iawn? Don't look at the Welsh. Just y Saesneg. A dych chi yn mynd I gael race, iawn, I weld pwy sy'n gallu gosod rhain mewn trefn. So you put these sentences Cymraeg yn y drefn in order. Iawn? Yn cyfieithu, translate this. Hapus?
Oh, very good.
Is it page 2?
Tudalen 1. Page 1 first, and then pan dych chi wedi gorffen, I'll give you page 2. O'r gore, reit, ydych chi'n barod? Barod! Ardderchog ar eich marcia barod, ewch!
Where are we now?
We just say to go to bed, to roost. We'll come back to it. No. It's that one, Well done. To lock the door.
If we do it in that, if we do it like that, do we? Should we put that in the middle and then put them roughly in this neck of the woods? Should we?
There's the top. Morgo Cariad.
That's right at the bottom, ac yn eistedd.
Something Rada.
I'll do this first. Everyone pick a first.
Where's Rada? I'm doing this first with the things you like, the animal words.
There's 2 there.
Draenor is the animal.
Alana'r afon.
Lana, can you watch it?
Where's Anna?
Forest animals.
And then where's birds?
My horn. All the forest animals, yeah. We need one there. We need one there for another day. Another day. Another day.
Is that another day?
No, that is the big tree.
That's the big
in
tree.
forest.
Guys, another day. Can you help us find another day? Okay, we'll come back to it. Hold it.
Yeah.
Gawn ni weld. Mae hi'n noson fwy na fe hefyd ac wrth i drigolion llan gau pen y mwdl ar ddiwrnod arall mae hwyl yn feiliad i goedwig yn ymgasglu yn y llan, yn ymgasglu a bron iawn yn ymgasglu, where do they, not just, beth yw'n mestyn?
Or to reach out.
Yeah, over the valley. So you just need yn y llaner. Swaps.
So
you identified the words, da iawn, yn y llaner. An llaw ar yng nghalon, can I say, an llaw ar yng nghalon, hand on heart, an llaw ar yng nghalon. Oedd hwnna yn hollol ardderchog. Oedd hwnna yn ardderchog. Oeddech chi'n cyfieithu yn wych. A gwaith tîm da iawn, felly. Ardderchog. Iawn te. Dyn ni wedi gorffen. Finished. Just have a little song i orffen, ie.
Always a cam at the end of class.
Mi welais Jack y Do? Syniad da. Mi welais Jack y Do, oce? Neised ar y mento, het welnau Bernard, oes oes bren, ho, 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 ho. Mi welais Elephant Pink, yn eistedd yn y sink, yn darllen map o dan y tap di pink.